Alright, what's good, YouTube? So it's the moment you've all been waiting for. We're live trading today, and as you can see right now, we have $59.50 in the real trading account. Now, I did start with $29 and got up to $70 yesterday. Hopped on this morning and lost $10. So we're starting at $60 right now, and I'm gonna show you this technical analysis. As you see, we're trading on a small account, like how my beginner trader should be trading, because I'm not rich yet, you know what I'm saying? So of course I'm gonna be trading with very little money.
I drive a Rolls Royce. Of course I have a $3,000 car note. I drive a Rolls Royce. Of course everybody asks me am I a rapper.
Hey, is that your Rolls Royce?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you like a rapper?
No, I'm not a rapper. I train.
To try to expand my money. So yes, so as you can see, we got 30 seconds on the time, but I'm thinking I'm gonna change this just depending on what I see and what I like. So right now we got a couple currency pairs, and my main thing that I'm looking at is just predictable charts right now, still on this high 92% payout. So I'm looking at this chart, I'm seeing that we're at the lower Bollinger Band, and the main thing I'm looking at for this strategy today is going to be the Bollinger Bands, and these are the settings for this. It's just a standard 10 in deviation of 2. As you can see, once we hit the top line, we're gonna go down. Once we hit the bottom line, we're gonna go up. So I'm just gonna place, I think I'm gonna take it back to 15 seconds. That's what I have been trading on. This is my trading history for the last day. Yeah, man, so as you can see, this morning we got off to a rough start. Won our first trade, lost 4 in a row, 3 in a row, 1. Then, you know, at the end of the day, we lose $10 this morning. But yesterday we had, you know, a pretty decent day. We started off strong. As you can see, we started off strong right there, and then we started losing along the way. But let's go ahead and redeem this. I'm trying to get up to $100 so that I can withdraw, and so I can show you guys the withdrawal process. So let's get right into this trade, man. Like I said, we're looking forward to hit this top Bollinger Band. So as you can see, it didn't hit it right here, but we're going down. But this means that, all right, so we're hitting the white line. We could go back up right here and try to touch this line, or we can continue to go down. So this is a downtrend. Let's look at it on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, we have a constant downtrend. We're trying to pull back a little bit, and we hit that white line. So let's go to the 30 seconds and see more clarification. We're up under this white line, guys, and the stochastic is over. So actually this is looking pretty good for a downwards position. But now, as you can see on the 10-second, we have hit the bottom Bollinger Band and we're starting to come up. So let's see previous history. This whole last 30 minutes, guys, the chart is not going outside of this Bollinger Band. So as you can see right here, we're still not going outside the Bollinger Band. Probably are now going to start going outside. The yellow zigzag just formed, and we're going down some more. So yeah, I should have got in the down position, but I was scared because, as you can see, previous history, none of these candles have went outside of the orange line. So I'm expecting to go back up now that the blue line is oversold, but we still have a strong downtrend. So I'm hesitant, but let's see if the prediction is right. So the blue line is starting to curve back up, but see, when it goes up like this constantly, guys, and you only wait like 5 seconds, and you can see that the market is already halfway to that white center line, it's not really ideal to trade right there. So even though we still are going up, we're still going up, we're passing this white middle line. Yes, I think I want to get in on it, right? See, like 1 second, like I was literally about to get in right there, and it just shot down all the way down. And you know, sometimes when it shoots all the way down like this, big green candle could come up fast and take out your trade. So that's why I didn't trade right there as well. So this is just a patience game, guys. I know a lot of my videos, you're not seeing me like be patient with the trades and just waiting to see the perfect setup. Well, this is the video for that. So make sure y'all leave a big thumbs up, man. Patience is the name of the game, you know what I'm saying? You got all day to trade multiple different charts and multiple different setups. Let's go to a different setup. Actually, I really like this one because this is just a constant downtrend, but at the same time, I'm scared because this could reverse anytime. As you can see, we have our vortex right here. We're getting high to our highest points on these lines right here. We're getting to our highest points, meaning reversal is coming. So once this red line starts to cave in like this green line here, that means the reversal is coming. And the blue stochastic is also trying to curve up. So even though this is a strong downtrend, I think I want to get in on a upwards position trade, maybe in this next 10 seconds, just depending on what this candlestick does right here. If we can go back down, I should have got in right there at that lowest point. So yeah, guys, as you can see, the vortex has started to cave in, and I'm pretty much right now, I'm just not listening to my own self. And this is called trading procrastination, because like I said, I have a goal of $100. We're at $60. I need $40 more to be able to withdraw, because on pocket option you need a minimum of $100 to withdraw. So now, guys, we have hit this white line. This is a downtrend, and even though we're going up, guys, on a downtrend, we have hit this middle white line. So I'm gonna see if this can go up a little bit more. As it is, the blue line is still over the orange baseline, and let's see if it can go up a little bit more before we get on a down trade. So blue line, once that blue line starts to curve down, I'm hopping in, and I'm gonna just hop in. So let's see right here, the blue line is still going up, so we're just gonna wait for this green, this pullback to carry out. Now that the zigzag has formed, as you can see, the yellow zigzag just formed, we could be going up for a while here. So now it's even more risky, because now we have a lot of strong push to the upside. Still don't think that this is gonna be a pullback on this 1 minute. Let's go to the 5. Let's go to the 5 minute, guys. You can see we're on an M formation right here on the 5, meaning that we're gonna go back down. This is just one candle of green, and just because I see this one candle of green, let's see what a 10 minute is looking like. Still going down, trying to come up though, but just because it's trying to go up like that, and it did hit the Bollinger Band, but I still see an M formation. But I think this M is gonna carry out on a 2 minute. Okay, we're hitting that white line. I think we're gonna come back down. I'm actually gonna just go ahead and risk it right here. 1 minute. I think we're gonna go ahead and start coming back down, guys. 1 minute for $10, and I think that this is gonna start going down. So let's see if this will carry out. And the reason that I put this trade, guys, is because this is the 1 minute candlestick, but as you can see, this is the pullback right here. This is low-key the highest point. Now what I should have done was go ahead and go to the 1 minute and get my tools. Go ahead and get my tools right here and press horizontal line, so I can know where that next zone was. So boom, our candlestick did touch at the highest point right here. We got some touches right here and right here, so this could be a zone. And if you take it over, you can see that we have some candlestick touches at the bottom and at the top. So this is a zone. This is the highest point. As you can see it more clearly on the 1 minute. We're just going straight down, pull back right up in here to the highest point. We got 6 seconds left, and now we just recovered 10 out of the $12 that we just lost. So $56, still in it. Let's see if we can get up to this $100. And as you can see, it's been 10 minutes so far. Even $40, I could trade with 40 and win those trades, guys, and go ahead and start making good money. But we're gonna go ahead, man, and we are gonna, I really just want to risk it. I really do, because I just know that this is going to be a good spot. But hey, you have to stay disciplined when you're trading, guys. You cannot let the emotions get to you. We just lost $10. I believe that this chart is gonna head down, so I'm gonna go ahead and place a 5-second trade for the down position for 15 seconds. Now look at this. All right, so it looks like this one is easy money right here, unless we just shoot up. 4, 3, 2, 1. So I knew this was going to come down because I see the M forming. As you can see, boom, we got an M right here, and it might continue to come down because we are oversold. So let's go ahead and hit it again. But the blue line right now, the blue line is under that orange baseline, meaning that we could go up. As you can see, the blue line is just curved up and the candle just went up. So that's one thing you have to pay attention to, guys. Really got to pay attention to that stochastic. And as you can see, we did up the trade amount to $25, and we got in right here on this pullback. And what I did was, I see that we have a downtrend right here on the 1 minute time frames, and I see that we are on a pullback, and I see that we had strong momentum. We have a doji candle, meaning that we want to reverse to the downside, but we kept going up. And then I seen that we have a big green candle, and normally when you have a big green candle, especially in times of resistance, so right here this is a little bit of resistance, but the green won, and then boom, strong amount of buyers. So after that strong amount of buyers right there, I just knew once that minute candle closed, so once this 20 seconds expires, that's what I mean by closed, and once this candle is over, I knew that this candle was gonna go down even the slightest amount. It's just like almost impossible that after all of this green on the pullback and some resistance, that we could have a green candle, a big green candle, and another big green candle on top of that. So I just wanted to show you guys that, and another good technical analysis when you do see, you know, a little bit of resistance, especially this perfect doji candle. Look how small that body is. This chart wants to go down, and then it pushed up, strong momentum. So I just knew that this red candle was gonna come, and that's where we did hit that trade on, man. That big red candle, as you can see, a lot of green, then we just went down. So I want to show you how to do the withdrawal process. So up here you will see that you have finance, guys, and as you see, you will go to the withdrawal department, you know what I mean, and then once this loads up, you would pretty much put the amount that you want to withdraw. So we would do $100 since it is a minimum $100 withdrawal amount, and then you would put in your Bitcoin address. So you would go to Cash App or Coinbase and get your address from there, and then you would simply put your address in, press continue, and you will see that it withdraws. So actually I have my Cash App on my phone, so I'm going to switch to my phone and upload this address, and I'll let you know when this is complete. So switching over to the mobile device, you would go to your Bitcoin on your tab, and then you would press the send button right here. And since we don't have any money, it'll automatically pop up just to receive. But if you have money in your account, it'll say send Bitcoin as well. So you will receive this. And now this is the important part, guys. You would just tap the QR code, and you would want to get this Bitcoin network, okay? Not the Lightning network. You want to get Bitcoin network, and you just copy that like that. Go back to Pocket Option and simply just press paste, continue. And guys, don't worry, this address, you won't be able to do anything with it because it is only valid for like a couple of hours. But then you would go to the email address that the code has sent to and put in the PIN number.
Roll a G, smoking the dark, can't go to sleep. It's about 4